Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how to set permissions for shared files in Google Drive. If you want to set permissions for a shared file in Google Drive so that you can control what others can do with your content, first of all make sure to open up the Google Drive application on your device, or you may also go to drive.google.com and sign in using your Google account. After you are inside the home page of Google Drive, go ahead and find the file or folder you want to share. Tap the three dots right next to the file or folder, and then from the pop-up, click on Share. After you do that, you will be able to see the Manage Access option at the bottom. Tap on it, and then you will see the list of people that has the access for this specific file or folder. You can now add more people in the file or folder if needed. If you want to set permissions or change the permissions for the person that you've already accessed the file to, tap on their email address and then you can switch their role from the pop-up at the bottom. Go ahead and choose whether you want to switch their role to be a viewer, commentator, or editor. After choosing any one option, you will then be updating the permission for that specific contact. After you are done, you will then be able to change or set permissions for shared files in Google Drive. Setting permissions help you control who can view, comment, or edit your files in Google Drive. Always double-check permissions before sharing sensitive documents and update them if needed. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.